All right, guys. So let's look at this problem that we have here. We're going to be working with a little bit of subtraction today. So it says 7 kids play and 4 leave. How many kids still play? So before we start and try to subtract or add, because we don't know what we're looking for yet, let's figure out what our problem is about. So our problem is about kids. And we know that there were 7 and then 4 left. Now, what are we trying to figure out? We're trying to figure out how many are still playing. So I'm going to use my counters to show the 7 kids that were playing. All right, so I know that I had 7 kids playing. And then 4 left. When they leave, they're gone. They're not. You take them away. So let's take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I took away, or I subtracted 4. Now, how many kids are left? 1, 2, 3. There are 3 left playing. So 7 minus 4 equals 3. All right. Now, what if those kids come back? Here we have a new problem. It says 3 kids are still playing. The other kids come back. Now there are 7 kids playing. How many kids came back? So there are 3 kids playing. And it says the other kids come back. Well, we don't know how many came back. So we know that there are 3. And we know that some kids came back. And now we have a total of 7 kids playing. So we went from 3 to 7. So we know we're going to add, but we don't know what we're going to add. So let's try a number bond to figure this out. So we know that our total was 7. And we know that one of our 2 parts is 3. So we're trying to find the other part. So we can count on from 3 until we get to 7. So let's try that. 3 in our mouth, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many kids came back? 4. So our missing part was 4. We can also use counters to help us solve it. Let's do that. So we have 3 kids and some come back. So let's count on using our counters until we get to 7. 1, 2. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many did we add? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I want you to notice that we use the same numbers to create both our addition and our subtraction sentence. The only difference is that when we're doing subtraction, we start with our total, then we take away numbers, and we get our answer. And if you look, our addition sentence is just our subtraction sentence backwards. So those numbers work together to create number sentences.